Hi, in this short tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify, and you have to go to online store. Here you will option navigation, and here you will find different menus. In my case, here is my main menu and I am going to make it drop down. Click it. Here we go. The main menu have 3 items: home, catalog, contact. I am going to put another item like about us page. Here we go, click this and add. You can see our about us page is here now. If we want to make all 3 items as a drop down options, then you have to click these dots and drag it little bit right. Make this drag little bit right. You can add it here. Just dragging with mouse, you can easily make it drop down. Save menu. Now visit the store. You can see our menu has become drop down. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.